In today's video, I will walk you through how to disable passcode lock on Telegram. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. If you no longer want Telegram to require a passcode every time you open your account, you can easily turn off passcode lock from the security settings. Before you begin, make sure you know your current passcode, since Telegram will ask you to enter it before allowing you to disable this feature. To get started, open the Settings menu in Telegram. From there, tap on Privacy and Security to access your account's security options. Then, look for Passcode Lock section, then tap on it. This is where you can manage the settings related to your app passcode. Once inside, click Turn Passcode Off. Telegram will then ask you to enter your current passcode before you can make any changes. Type in your existing passcode to continue. Once your passcode has been verified, Telegram will immediately remove the passcode lock from your app. You'll return to the security settings where you'll see that passcode lock is now disabled. To make sure the change has been applied, leave Telegram and open it again. Since the passcode has been turned off, the app should open without asking you to enter your passcode. If you decide you want this extra layer of protection again in the future, you can return to the passcode lock settings and create a new passcode at any time. Disabling passcode lock can make it quicker to access Telegram. But remember that anyone who has access to your unlocked device will also be able to open the app and view your conversations. And that's how to disable passcode lock on Telegram. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Telegram guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.